Hey, are you searching for the best IPTV player for your Apple TV? Yeah, I know it can be a headache trying to figure it out. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 8 awesome picks that people are loving in 24. First up, IPTVX. This one's the whole package. It's got 4K streaming, multi-screen support, parental controls, and even offline mode. Super sleek and easy to use. Then there's Smarter's Player Lite. It's free, simple, and perfect for live TV with its detailed program guide. If you're into flexibility, GSE Smart IPTV is great. It's customizable and even works with Chromecast for big screen vibes. For something straightforward, go with iPlay TV. No fluff, just clean, simple navigation to get you watching fast. Want style? Any TV looks amazing and has tons of channels. So it's a bit pricier. And finally, there's Mega IPTV, a solid all-rounder that keeps things simple while covering all the basics. I know that you are no more confused and you want to know which one is the best. Honestly, if we had to pick one, we would go with IPTVX. It's just packed with many features and super easy to use. But hey, all of these are great options. Pick what works for you and pair it with Gen X IPTV and happy streaming.